So here it is, our project is ready on the pumpkin. Now let's see how we are going to tell our kids. So pumpkin is a fruit. It is not a vegetable. It has seeds inside, and when we sow this seed into the soil, it is going to sprout. This will form the vine, which will grow a flower which is yellow to orange in color. This will form a small green pumpkin which will grow bigger and bigger and turn orange when it is ready to be plucked. So this is the life cycle of a pumpkin. Then pumpkin has a hard outer shell with a gooey pulp and seeds inside. Now they can be yellow, white or red in color. It grows everywhere except Antarctica. Pumpkins are used in pie, puri, curry, soup, pasta, muffins, breads, cakes. So whatever is favorite of your kids, you can write that over here. In fact, you can also put the pictures of the food. Then competitions are held for growing giant pumpkins, and the world record is of growing 2,600 pounds pumpkin in October 2016 in Belgium. Also, stringed musical instruments like tanpura and veena are made from pumpkin, wherein these pumpkins are dried for months and then they are made into these musical instruments. Then during Halloween, the pumpkins are carved into jack-o'-lanterns like this. Now over here, you can turn the pumpkin and keep it like this, and you can put in some lights inside like this. So our jack-o'-lantern is ready for the Halloween. Then National Pumpkin Day is celebrated on 26th of October. So this was about the pumpkins. Do let me know in the comment box about the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Do share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy pumpkins and happy growing up with your loved ones.